Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create scrapbook themed PowerPoint using Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Canva, and first of all, I'm going to create new design. I'm going to select presentation right here, and then if we want to create the scrapbook themed PowerPoint, we're going to search for the scrapbook template. I'm just going to type in scrapbook presentation. Okay, and then there will be a lot of templates we can use from the Canva, and I'm just going to use the free template. I'm gonna go with this one, and we can customize this template according to our needs. And I'm just going to select apply all 18 pages. Okay, and now the template has been applied to my design, and we can customize. I'm just going to type in, for example, PowerPoint. Alright, then you can customize it as you like guys, and once you're ready to share it, you just need to download it. You can click on the share, and then we can click on download. And here you can choose PowerPoint format. Then click on download, and the PowerPoint will be saved to your device. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create scrapbook themed PowerPoint using Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.